Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming ownership in Apple Maps Connect, so your change will be accepted. Sign in with the Apple ID tied to the business, then locate your existing listing. Once done, prepare the precise new address and any supporting documentation, like a utility bill or lease, to prove the location. Make sure the business name and categories match what's already listed. Inconsistent names delay verification. You're already in the right place, so move on to edit the location details immediately. Now you'll update the address fields and reposition the map pin for accuracy. Enter the street, suite, city, zip, and country exactly as on your proof. Small typos create verification rejections. Then drag the pin to the correct entrance or coordinate to align with Apple's map tiles. Attach the proof document and add a concise note explaining the relocation date and reason. Make sure hours or phone didn't change. If they did, update them here to avoid customer confusion. Finish by submitting the change and recording the confirmation or ticket ID so you can track progress. You'll receive status updates in Maps Connect and by email. Respond quickly if Apple requests additional verification. Once approved, verify the live map entry and test directions from nearby points. If the change is rejected, compare the rejection reason to your submission, correct any mismatched fields, reupload clearer proof, and resubmit. If persistent issues remain, contact Apple support with your ticket ID to escalate the verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.